Hey guys, it's Thomas, and today we'll be playing. This is part 13 of Animal Crossing New Leaf. So let's get started. Alright, so today is a very special day because today is Bam's birthday, and also for my mom. I hear your home is expanding. You should fill some of your new space. My mom. Mom, thanks for new furniture and stuff. Like that. Where's Reed? Present. It's a present. Old sewing machine. Now, first, we're going to go to a tropical island. From yesterday, we met Tornimer. And first, we're going to go to celebrate Van's birthday. You know why he's home. So, you know why he is home? Because today is his birthday, so I can't wait to celebrate it. So, let's see who's there. Oh, Caroline, you're finally here, Seth. You've been waiting for me. Hey, Seth, you brought a present for me, right? I mean, because you're my pal. Of course, duh. Not a werewolf hood. Yeah, that red Zap helmet. That's what I gave you. What? Oh, wow, he got me a red Zap helmet. This present is beyond anything I could have wished for. Seriously. Thank you, I'm so happy. I'm so happy sports drink is falling from my eyes. Boosh. Well, that's what I gave you, because you are into sports. Oh, Seth, you come to celebrate too? Well, I'm not going to be here that long, because I'm going to a tropical island. Bam seems to be having a great time. I think we could call this a successful birthday party. Oh, today is his birthday. Are you stupid? Days like this really makes me appreciate all my bros and lady bros. With everyone making a fuss over me like this, I feel like it's my time to shine. Ish. But taking off already? Well, thanks a bunch for coming by. I feel like our friendship totally gained some muscle mass today. I wasn't gonna be here that long at his birthday party, but I'm so glad. I've been waiting for so long. I've been waiting for this to come. I'm going to the tropical island, and I finally get to go. It's gonna be amazing. So, this is why this is a special video. And now let me just go down and yeah. Guy, what in the deep blue? Demi Peepers peep our new mayor, Namos Seth. Yar, old tournament left a whale of a job to a wee me no. Nah, don't pay me no mind. I be known as Captain. I ferry folks across the briny deep to the island and back in me boat. If you fancy yourself an ocean voyage to the island, why not hustle over here, you shrimp sandwich? What the heck? What's that? If you want to head to the island, it will be 1,000 bells per round trip. Yes, please. Dar, good deal. Leave her to me. Ye can't bring your effects onto the island, so I'll just be holding on to them. Don't worry yourself. Most of your stuff probably still be here when you get back. Yahar. Well then, hop in me boat, by gar. Oh, time to hop in the boat. And we're gonna listen. This is gonna be awesome. Can't wait to see what's look like. Alright, so I'll be quiet because he is gonna sing. I bet you make one amazing sumo wrestler if you put your mind to it. Stink bugs. Stink bugs. A date coming up. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we be landing soon. And we're here at the tropical island. Finally. Let's see, now we're gonna check this island, see what is this island like. Yeah. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Whoa! Look at this! Let's check you first. Yay! A new friend is here to play with me. Let's play supermarket. I'll be the customer, so bring me something to buy. Okay? Okay. Hello, who are you, Gramps? Shiver me timbers! Don't be sneaking up on an old woman like that. Nearly scare me out of my shell. That won't be a pretty sight. Yar! You must be new here. My son brought ye over in his boat. Yar! But since you be here, why not buy an island souvenir for yourself or your sweetheart back home? If there won't be something, you got some gonna tour and gather up some noodles. I don't set bells. That last thing over there to be me, daughter-in-law. You can ask about the tours. You can ask it about the tours. And then drop off box. Yeah, all this stuff will be back. Okay, so I'm so gladly here. Alright, so let's get to the beach. Let's enjoy this tropical island, and then we'll be going on tours very soon. Welcome. I'm in a lot of goods, so you can have a blast all the way out here on the island. I'll even tell you how to use them, so don't hesitate to ask. I want to borrow. Very good. Take whatever goods you like to use, my good chum. I'll have to take the wetsuit. That's mine. Of course, I'm going to take that. I'm taking a net and an axe. That's all. Yeah, that's it. Oh my, don't worry about bringing it back, as I'll collect it before you leave on the tour or go back to town. Okay, so I'll need an extra fish on our boat.
Wait, are you on an island?
Yes, I'm on an island, Jeremiah. This is my brother talking. He doesn't know what this is, so I'm explaining what this is. I'm on a tropical island. And on the last video, I met Tornimer. That was supposed to be the mayor in Animal Crossing in my town of Happy. Now I'm the mayor, so I'm the mayor now.
Wait, if you was a mayor, what would you be then? What would you be then?
Resident.
Huh?
Call it birdwing butterfly. Now stop.
What?
Resident. Ooh, banana. Resident. God.
President. I don't even know what you're saying. You said Bobadent, Slobadent.
Oh, a shark. Oh, God. No, goodness gracious. Never mind. Shark, come to me. Shark, come to me. Oh, no, it's coming. I think I'm gonna. I'm putting on my wetsuit. Oh, really? I better do. Oh, no. I'm stepping into the water.
Get out of that island. Get off the island.
No.
How are you supposed to get off of it?
Yay, you pressed A.
To get out of the island?
Oh, what? To get in the ocean?
No, I just want to get off the island and go get that shark.
No, I'm gonna get Chase. Ooh, come at me, shark. Oh, really? Really? I didn't really need to do that. Ooh, I think I might found. Oh, jellyfish, run! God,
Can you die?
No, you can't die. Ugh. Oh God, he's coming. Well, we weren't here to do this, but we were just here.
That's so stupid.
Okay, so now let's go on a tour. We're gonna go on a tour. So let's head here to get on a tour. Ahoy there, lad. You be set from heavy, don't ye? Heard all about ye from Mr. Tournament. I do welcome to the islands, yar. Here at the counter, ye can sign up for a tour of a tropical island. We also got some informational pamphlets over there, so take a peep at them if you want. Or if you're feeling lazy, just relax and take a load off your heart. Ow. Stop ruining my video.
That was accident.
Items dropped off the box. Now let us items drop off box. Let us put our bird wing butterfly in here. There we go. Let me take this wetsuit off. Let's see what removed. There we go. I wanted to take this off anyway. I like to take them home. I can't. Really, I can't. Okay, guess they're there. Do you want to register for a tour or catch a boat back? Go on a tour. Yar, good choice, lad. Where do you like to tour? Where? My tour will be easy tropical fishing tour. Easy hide and seek tour. Yes. You want to go easy hide and easy hide and seek tour? Yar. Yar, nar. Okay. Hey. When you will be ready to go, grab a seat in the boarding area. All right, now let's sit down in a chair and the shipbound for the easy hide and seek tour is departing. Right. Now let's go. Hey there, whippersnapper. Thanks for joining us on the easy hide and seek tour. You guessed it, we're going to play some good old-fashioned hide and seek. This is good. Old, wholesome, or fun unlike those newfangled space-age video games you kids play. Anyway, there are 4 animals hiding somewhere on the island. All you got to do is find them. If you can't find all of them within 8 minutes, you'll get some shiny medals. Alright, let's get started. Get ready. Get set. Go. Woo, let's go. Okay, let's see if they're hiding anywhere. We have got to check, because they might be in trees. So, whose house is this? Vacant house. They might be having the house anyway, so. Please try looking outside if you're searching for island residents. Ah, come on. Really? Let's do this crap. Oh, they got lemons. Wow, this is so good. Island. Okay, so we got kind of good map. Okay, so now let us go here. Oh, I don't even know what that house is, but whatever that house is, let's go keep on looking. Oh my goodness. We'll be hiding somewhere. Oh, there. Who was that? Ah, you found me. What? Who the heck is that? A strawberry horn. What the heck is that? I don't know. Who was that? Who was this? Who's this? We're all pretty. Oh, Meringue. Okay, now let's go find the others. Alright, so let us go. I thought there's somebody I am here. I thought, but no. So for myself, who? Oh, look at you. You found me, didn't you? Miranda. Okay. Move. I'm trying to find somebody else. Ah. Now move, people. Trying to look for somebody else. Here. Come on. Somebody got to be. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh, there you. Who is it? Huh? How you find me? Nate. Okay. I don't know who Nate is, but whoever this animal is, the teddy bear. Oh my goodness. I gotta find the others. Gotta find one more person. Then we'll be over. Found Nate, Miranda, and Mirquinin. Got one more person left. No, they're not here. I'm not there. No, they're not over here. Gotta be somewhere. Ooh, I got this. Got one of them's over here. I think I didn't check over here. Didn't check over here yet. Nope, I didn't yet. Anybody? Yeah, I knew everybody's really hiding trees and stuff like that. Oh, that's a good hiding spot. That's actually a good one. Right here. That's actually a horrible hiding spot, actually. Probably never gonna find anyone. Come on, where are you? Are you people? Seem to find you anywhere, so yeah, I can't even find any people. Oh, you guys might be hiding here. Oh, you guys are hiding here. Clever. Ah, never gonna find these other people. Ah, oh. Come on, where's the other person? The other person's got a good hiding spot. Oh my goodness. It's Miranda. I found her. Move. Ugh. Where's the other person? I gave up. God. I give up easy. Come on, somebody has any energy. Somebody got to be over here. Ah, somebody has to. I bet. What are you doing, Sprout? Get out there and seek those hiders. Move. Move. I don't know what your staffers got a weird catchphrase, so. Come on, where are you people? Where are you people? I'm never gonna find these people. Oh, I can just get in. Woohoo! Jump in. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna jump in. Oh my goodness gracious. Ooh, lemons. Yeah, they taste like to you. Me. How does that hit the spot? I don't know. But, I have no idea, but I feel like I'm tired looking for these people. Yeah, 58 minutes. Seconds, I mean. I meant. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Thank you for coming. I'm landing at various islands to support your playtime here on the island. Ooh. Thanks. Here's at my closet ads. Ooh, I should look in the ocean actually. No, let's go to the ocean. I should look. Yeah, that's a good idea. Go, 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 hurry! No! Game over! Time's up. You ran out of time. That'll teach you to dilly-dally. Dilly-dally. Well, medals aren't everything you'll get next time, Sprout. Thanks for participating in the Easy Hide and Seek tour. Tell your friends. Well, that was a good time on the tropical island, so now let's talk to her, and now we're going to go home. Do you want to register for a tour or catch a boat back to Happy? Go home. You want to go home already? You be sure? Going back. Sorry to see you go, you lad. Well, love your song. Back home. And I show no fear. I scared and fear right at the same time. Okay, I'll be quiet. When it comes to love, you gotta be patient and wait for the right person, Seth. No doubt. Now we go, no doubt. Yeah, we be here. Yay, we're home. We be here. Till next time, Seth. Oh, and here be your effects. Here's my stuff. Item pickup box. Here's my bird wing butterfly. There it is. Boom. Now, that is it in this video here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.